Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a frame sticker. First, ensure your frame is perfectly clean. Use rubbing alcohol to wipe down the entire surface where the sticker will be applied, removing any dust, grease, or fingerprints. Let it air dry for a few minutes until it is completely free of moisture. This crucial preparation step ensures optimal adhesion for your new frame sticker, preventing bubbles and peeling later on. Now, let's get that sticker perfectly aligned. Begin by peeling back about 1 inch of the backing paper from one end of your frame sticker. Carefully position this exposed edge onto your frame, making sure it's straight and exactly where you want it. Take your time here. A good initial placement makes the rest of the application much easier. Once you're happy with the alignment, gently press down that small section. With the initial edge secured, it's time for the main application. Continue to slowly peel the backing paper away with one hand while simultaneously using your squeegee with the other. Apply firm, even pressure, working from the center of the sticker outwards to push out any air. Overlap your squeegee strokes by about 1/2 inch. This technique helps prevent air bubbles and ensures a smooth, professional finish across the entire surface. Finally, let's perfect your frame sticker application. Once the entire sticker is down, use your squeegee or a soft cloth to firmly press along all edges and corners. This ensures maximum adhesion. Take a moment to inspect the sticker for any small air bubbles. If you find any, gently push them towards the nearest edge with your squeegee or even your thumb. Your frame now has a fresh, protected look.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.